Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to compare two of the most advanced language models in the world, ChatGPT-4 and BARD AI. Both models are built on the latest deep learning architectures, and they have been making waves in the AI community. So, the question is, who won the AI battle? Let's find out. Body. Overview of ChatGPT-4 and BARD AI. Before we dive into the comparison, let's take a quick look at both ChatGPT-4 and BARD AI. ChatGPT-4 is a language model developed by OpenAI, and it is based on the GPT architecture. The model has 13.5 billion parameters, making it one of the largest language models ever created. BARD AI, on the other hand, is a language model developed by Eleuther AI, and it is based on the GS-Hard architecture. The model has 6 billion parameters, which is still quite impressive. Comparison of performance. Let's compare the performance of ChatGPT-4 and BARD AI. Both models have been tested on a range of natural language processing tasks, such as text completion, translation, and question answering. In terms of text completion, both models are able to generate coherent and fluent sentences, but ChatGPT-4 has a slight edge in terms of the quality of its responses. When it comes to translation, BARD AI has shown better results in some languages, but ChatGPT-4 has been more consistent across languages. In question answering, ChatGPT-4 has shown better performance on complex and nuanced questions. Discussion of pros and cons. While both ChatGPT-4 and BARD AI are impressive language models, there are pros and cons to each. ChatGPT-4 is known for its ability to generate high-quality and creative responses, but it requires significant computational resources to train and run. BARD AI, on the other hand, has a smaller parameter size, making it more efficient to run, but it may struggle with more complex tasks. Conclusion. So, who won the AI battle between ChatGPT-4 and BARD AI? Well, it's not a straightforward answer. Both models have their strengths and weaknesses, and the better model depends on the specific task at hand. However, it's clear that these language models represent a significant leap forward in natural language processing and AI research. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.